High-end audio brand Cabasse have just announced two new amazing products. The first is the Sphere Evo, the LA Sphere Evo high-end loudspeakers. These speakers cost much more than many houses and even very high-end cars. These speakers are priced at $135,000. And then the next product they've just launched is the Pearl Theater Wireless Cinema System. Now, this is going to bring you Dolby Atmos speakers in your home, more or less, not just speakers, but a full system, a full Dolby Atmos system to your house. So these are the two new products from Cabasse. Cabasse is a high-end brand. They make high-end products, high-end speakers. They've been doing this for several years. So the Pearl Theater delivers the French audiophile sound that you would more or less want from any premium brand out there. The reality here is that if you want to spend less, then you should actually go for the new Pearl Theater. It's a lot cheaper than the Sphere Evo, the LS Sphere Evo. But I'll go over what these two beasts can offer individually. So let's first start out with the Pearl Theater, because this setup gives you two options, because they're actually the latest addition to the Cabasse Pearl collection. This is literally a lineup of wireless speakers that they've been launching for some years now. So first of all, this model, this theater model, you get a small amp, a small amp unit that handles both the analog and your digital connection. It comes loaded with HDMI, ERC, optical, USB, RCA inputs, plus all the wireless connectivity you expect all in one in this little amp. It looks very slick, and it can handle almost everything that you can throw at it. It supports major surround sound formats, including Dolby Atmos, DTSX. So it's beautiful. Now, the theater itself, the Pearl Theater system itself, is a full wireless setup. There's no cable that is attached to it. You have a 7.5 centimeter, literally a 3-inch satellite speakers that are ultra compact and come with adjustable wall or ceiling mounts. Now, all coming with full range drivers to keep it very punchy for your listening experience. And then for the bass, it comes with a 13-inch subwoofer. This is incredible, and it's featuring the Cabasse patent held driver. They also have two included wireless modules that handle the rear channels. It completes a system that looks very, very, very high end, more or less, in terms of when it's all set up for you to listen in your theater, literally. So if you want a 5.1 version of this Pearl theater, you'll pay literally $8,990. If you want the 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system of this, or literally a 7.1 channels system of this, you'll pay $9,990. So it's literally about $1,000 more. So they give you setups between 5.1 to 5.2 to even 5.1.2, 7.1, 5.2.2 or 7.2. So this is the configuration you can get the Pearl Theater in. Literally, it supports everything you need: DTSX, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, Dolby True HD. Everything is here. It's a beast of a product. Then if you're someone that is very buoyant, you're rich, then you can now step up to the big dogs, which is the brand new king, which is the LA Sphere Evo. The LA Sphere Evo is just mesmerizing. This is for people that have incredible cash to burn, almost $135,000. This model is the top tier of the brand. They say that they've taken their time to build it really well. They have a dual 30 centimeter held woofers inside in a push configuration. designed to cancel out cabinet vibrations and maintain tight control bass response for all listening levels. There is no distortion with this driver. It is a beast, and it has a mind-bending 10,200 watts total RMS. Yes, this is insane, and it can put out an insane 127 decibels. This is an incredible subwoofer. It can drop as low as 14 hertz and extend as high as 27,000 hertz. So you have everything with this kind of system. The speaker system has everything from the fact that it can drop as low as possible to as high as in terms of sound. It can deliver everything you need. Imagine a speaker that can go as low as 14 hertz. That's incredible. So it has everything, guys. Like I said, $135,000. It even has a built-in DAC inside, an AKM 4493 DAC is inside these speakers. It has everything: wireless connectivity, everything you need. HDMI port with ERCs at the back, with CEC supports. Everything is here. USB port, balanced analog stereo inputs, unbalanced analog stereo inputs are here. Everything you need, even Toslink outputs. It's just spec'd out, and it weighs a massive 60 kilograms. That is how heavy it is. This thing is a beast. You would most likely will need someone to help you lift it, move it around, and get it set up correctly in your listening rooms or anything, basically. So it's very, very heavy. In fact, I think this is much more expensive compared to even the Focal's new Diva Utopia. That model is even set at a reasonable $40,000 for a pair. It's more expensive than so many other speakers that I've seen. So this is like their cream de la cream, their top flagship. Now, I don't know whether they will release something that's much more expensive than this. There's a possibility they can do that. And the brand is even celebrating their 75 years in business. So this is an insane turn of events. I didn't even know they've been in business for 75 years. So this is incredible. I'm going to drop all the necessary details down below. The system has officially launched, but it will start shipping in the third quarter of this year. So that means you have to be very, very patient, but it's going to ship to people that can afford it. So for now, share your thoughts down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time, and do smash the like button. Thank you, guys.